Hello everyone, I'm Elaine Adaw from the Mastermind Hub co-working space, and today I'm going to teach you on how to create a professional Gmail signature. The first step is to go to gmail.com. Make sure that your Gmail is logged in. On the upper right corner on your screen, you will see the setting option. Click on this option. Then, click on See All Settings. Once you've clicked on the See All Settings, scroll down until you see Signature. Once you've seen the Signature option, click on the Create New button. Type in your signature name, for example, Jasmine Howe, then press Create. If you want to edit your name, click on this button. Then click on Done to save it. Now, we can create your signature. On this area, you can type down anything that goes with your signature. For example, your name, your position, your number, and of course, your signature. You can also edit its font. You can also edit its font size. You can also choose to make it bold, italic, or underline. You can also edit its text color or background color. You can also insert your personal link or website link. You can also add images if you want. If you have a picture of your signature, you can use that signature already. You can edit the photo by just clicking on it. Then the following options will be popped out. You can also change the alignment of your text. There are a lot of options you could also choose for your text. Once you're done creating and editing your signature, click on the Save Changes to save your work. If you want to see how your signature will look like, press on Compose, click on the Signature button, and click on the name that you have saved for your signature. As you can see, this is the signature that you have created and edited a while ago. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something on this video. Don't forget to like our page, like, and share this video. Bye!